training, and is on this DeFi trading, decentralized finance trading. I'm going to be teaching you how to avoid how to get how to avoid rug pull during trading on DeFi. In a literal sense, what I want to say is that how you can avoid trading a wrong asset. So it's a very important training that you have to actually go through. Now, in the previous series, we have already introduced DeFi on the channel, which is Electrical Business TV. So do it to subscribe to the channel, like and share this video. So on the video, we are able to make an introduction to everything DeFi. So but on this video, we are going to be looking at desk screener and how to avoid rug pull. Desk screener is just like a coin aggregator for decentralized finance market. But then one of the things that you should note here is that some of these assets that you are seeing listed here, most of them are not really good assets. So all these assets you see listed here, most of them have a rug pull in mind. So what is really a rug pull? A rug pull is a project that is being launched on desk screener, and probably you go trade the asset, and then probably the liquidity is not much, and then you successfully get your capital liquidated in the process. So for instance, let me show you one case study. If you click on this 69 as a token, so you'll be able to see here that this token was, let me just show you, it was launched 9 hours ago. So you can see it right away. It was launched 9 hours ago, so you can see the statistics and the pool and all that. But then if you go up here, you see one thing that is clear here, that this particular token, you can see the liquidity is very low, right? So you can also see the market cap is also very low. But then see what is happening here. You can see the buying. Okay, so you can see people are buying more. So it means that this particular token is going to go down. Okay, so once you have a lot of buyers coming in a particular token, it means that that particular token is going down, and you can see the low liquidity this asset have. So what am I trying to say here in this training? What I'm saying is that you should be able to analyze the market. And then how do you analyze the market? First of all, you need to buy a little fraction of the asset. Okay, now if you are using Phantom, which we recommend in the previous video, you discover that you can actually buy any of this trade any of this meme coin with as little as $1. So the essence of it is for you to have the asset on your portfolio and then watch how the market what's called turn out. Okay, so you can get it by using Solana, and on the video I taught before now, I explained how you can actually open a decentralized wallet, which is Phantom. So let me also show you one thing again. If you click on this asset again, there's some asset that is doing fine, which of course you can go on to invest into it. But then when asset is newly listed, remember, it goes into a lot of things. It goes into corrections, it goes into stability, it goes into so many things. So you shouldn't go and because you see an increment or percentage, maybe 700%, and you now think that this is a good asset. For instance, this asset, which is of course called, is launched not quite a while ago. You can see the date, the time at it which was launched, and you can see that here this asset is very okay, right? It's very okay in terms of trading. So you can easily trade this asset. So you can see everything that is here, and you can see the time at which this asset was launched. But then let me show you something again. If you come up here, you see the statistics, and it means that everything is very good here. You can see the buyer, you can see the liquidity is very high, you can see the market cap, then you can see the price. So one of the things that I use to analyze assets is all about understanding the statistics that is available. Most people will go on to say, okay, I have checked the Telegram and WhatsApp. Those things are not really the main thing here. The main thing has to do with the asset itself, okay, the tradable volume and so many other factors before you now go to stake your money. Then remember what I said in this principle of this video is that you have to buy a little bit of the asset. So you can easily come here, like for instance, you can stake in for instance, this just to observe it for a couple of days before you invest. So you can easily stake in $5 here. Then it will be on your portfolio as a tradable portfolio asset, and then you watch the price movement. So I'm going to be showing you that on the next video, where I'm going to be showing you a token which I am actually currently observing, and it has been doing fantastic well. So don't miss out that particular update. I'm your host, Mr. Shirak. I'm going to see you in the very next video.